What is up, my fire pups, and welcome back to a new episode of Pokemon Emerald Nuzlocke. This is episode 10 now, so thankfully I'm this far. I can fight Wally, or... Ooh, did I forget? I already got a freaking... Yeah, so I can fight Wally and do the gym. Can't remember what he got, or if he's considered a rival, so... Ooh, Nessie got an item. Super potion! But, so I don't know if his star is still on. Well, you broken. So, in about 9 levels, I have to take somebody out of my party so I can get my Shedinja. Hopefully that my idea works. Otherwise, I just lost him on for no reason. But, yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, Jim. You want to battle Jim? You don't have a Ralts. Regrettably. Cute little thing. I miss my Ralts. Yeah. Fucking Roxanne. Was it Roxanne? Yeah, it was Roxanne. That's stupid. Oh, he has a Magmar. Lucky for me. Ooh, 16. I think that means the gym's gonna be like level 20, 21-ish. Maybe 22. So Nessie shouldn't have a problem. Why does Magmar not give a lot of experience? It's a final Evo in this game. Huh. Oh well. I think Magby's in this game too. Alright, I will see you when I want to go get Surf. And here's this asshole again. I don't like you. Go away. I can't hold things back. Any of my moves would have killed that Magmar. Alright, double battle central. Alakazam and... Alright, that's fine. Okay, I love this music. Dun, 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 dun. Alright. Ooh, that gives me an idea. I'll screw with it later. An Execute and an Octillery. Oh, this is gonna be easy. Fight with Body Slam on Execute and Psybeam on Octillery. That should do... I was actually expecting it to do under half. I am 7 levels higher too, so... That's gonna do... I seriously always remembered Kadabra and Alakazam being squishy. How is it not squishy? Alright, that thing's dead. Nessie, Akka, and Broken got 289. He's level 12. Marshtomp. Oh. I got Body Slam and Psybeam. I should be good. Alright, and Murkrow. Yeah, you're taking out that. In the meantime, Marshtomp it. I was expecting that to kill. I don't know why. That was really... Okay, he is squishy. Okay. Stop. Alright, Psybeam. Dead. 4 minutes, I'm already getting notifications on my freaking phone. I need to... I need to remember to put Do Not Disturb mode on my phone before these episodes. Yeah, it's fine, this episode. Where do I want to go? I can go straight to the gym leader. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I don't need to battle those other two trainers. I got plenty of trainers I can fight on the way. So let's heal up. Get my PP back and battle Watson. And ooh, thank God I don't have to deal with that freaking Torkoal. Too many problems. Alright, go around. I might have to do that double battle. Ariados is dead. I kind of wish Alakazam was in front. Psybeam would knock this thing to oblivion. And I got the para! Is he fully paired? Nope. But it's just a Constrict. No problems. And it is knocked out. Broken is 13. On it. Yeah. Let's see. Tomahawk has Water Gun. Razor Leaf. You're definite no, and you're no. So let's go with War Turtle. That was a loud noise. Water Gun should kill it. Wow, I always thought Onix was slower than... Nah, whatever. And Oko. One hit KO! I need to evolve Broken. Alright, let's see what this does. Oh, I don't have to battle him. Sweet. Alright. Doors, amusing, leader. Shut up. Just let me battle you and knock you out, so... Oh my god, he's already... This is gonna be easy as long as he doesn't... As long as it's all mine like that. I need to overlevel I need to do something. No. Damn it! You're just making me waste water guns. Oh god, what's he gonna go into? Fuck you, Watson! Let's see what a body slam can do. Damn. Okay, this thing's gonna be problematic. Stop coming on my freaking screen. What else can I do? I gotta paralyze it. Let's see if I can't get a para or kill it. Oh, that does not... I should be able to survive one more crit forbidding. Yeah, I'll survive. Alright, I'll throw a great ball! Let's see, what do I have? Berry juice is only 20, that's not enough. Calcium, max revive is useless. Super potion is 50. I might max potion here to get him fully up. Yeah, that's about my best bet. Oh god, that's not even a crit. Alright, so I need to get rid of this Tangela. That Tangela is actually a threat. I'm surprised. Yes, Aron versus Tomahawk. Alright. Oh, wait. I think his strongest... I meant to hit back so I could heal freaking poison off of. Oh well, who's the next one? Broken is 14. Fury Swipe Scratch 18, 32. Harden. Cool. And do I have anything that can resist Farfetch'd? No, I do not. Tomahawk Stangen so I can heal up. Nessie. Okay, that's a bonus. So, at the very least, let's get this poison. Oh god, you were playing these games. I wish I had thunder. So, if I had thunder. Oh, you want to lower my accuracy? Thunder always hits. We gotta play these games, don't we? Hey, I still hit through. How much damage? Alright, fuck that. Nessie, get out there. I am not dealing with this today. That's fine. For now. I think it's thundering outside. Yay, I'm faster. Damn it, didn't kill. It's fine. Yeah, let's go for it. Bitch. Bitch. As long as I don't get her low roll, I should kill. And I got a low roll. I thought gym leaders only had one potion. Oh god, that means Elite Four is gonna have a lot of potions too, which means it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Ooh, Tomahawk's 19. Ooh, bite. Yeah, let's get rid of Tail Whip. And Tomahawk Run Bite. Oh no. What can I do against the Pelipper? Does he have anything to... I knew it. Let's go, body. That stops stat deductions, right? Safeguard stops added effect, so... Oh god, this is gonna be a long battle. That's physical. That's a problem. Paralyzed, please. Where are my super potions? I have 4 of them. I need to put it to sleep. That should keep me in the clear. God, I hate Pelipper. It just looks stupid and it's so annoying. Sing. And it's faster. Damn it, Nessie! Alright. Okay, thank God he went for Mist. Alright. What the fuck? Stop using wing attack. Why do I keep missing things? Wing attack. 41. Now fucking hit. Thank you. Alright. Free switch into AKA. Wish I had a choice scarf. And the rain continues to fall. If he has another freaking potion, I'm gonna be pissed. How do I get a first turn? Should I go for the confusion or the disable? You're fucking me. At least just a new disable was gonna come in handy. I don't know what to do. Lily, you're up. You know, Mist. Fucking citrus berries bullshit. Wish I had bug bite in this game. Razor Leaf, reverse or stomp. Razor Leaf. Yeah, supersonic. Of course, and I hurt myself. Okay, water sport, mist, supersonic, and yes, thank you, Lily. Get a crit, please. I think Teleporter should be disabled one more turn. Stop using. I got Mons in the PC if I lose, but I don't want to lose. Thank you, Lily. Please do a lot of damage. That did nothing. I don't know what to do. Okay, I can survive one more wing attack and... Do I have any battle items? Don't kill them. Thank God. Now I don't have the defense drop with Nessie now. I'm at 66 HP. I'm about to use an X attack to boost my attack so my body slam can probably kill it. How much damage is this gonna do? Okay, that's fine. God, I hate this. Prevent stat reduction. Okay, I don't care about that right now. Okay, you missed. That's fine. I hope the NPC's not smart. Okay, he's not. And we still... No! One more move. Thank you, no healing items. That's game. That was way too full. How did Broken not get a... Whatever. I am surprised I got out of that one without losing a Mon. TM34, what do I get? Ooh, that could come in handy. Bag. Who can learn that magnitude? Ooh, I'm thinking Nessie. I think magnitude 8 is equal to an earthquake. 9 and 10 are higher. I never used Confuse Ray. I got something for the stupid other thing. So it's been about 20 minutes. I could go to the battle through the battle gauntlet, but I don't know if that item will be randomized or not. I know a few items here. You know what? I'll just get Rock Smash, break the rock, and get the other HM that I get from that. See, I get Rock Smash from this house, I think. Yep. HM6. And, yep. Can I leave now? Thank you. Who am I going to teach Rock Smash to? Ooh, Lily. Lily is my Rock Smasher! Jesus Christ, he's probably gonna be my HM slave. Although I actually do use Rock Smash unironically because it lowers defense. So, go this way, down this way. You know what? Let's try to boost your level high. Ooh, Nessie got an item. Nessie came through with a super potion. Alright, let's see who we got. Vibrava and Reg. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh fucking no. I need that to paralyze. Okay, that works. We're just passing on the sand. Broken's dead. Damn it. Fuck it, Regice is dead next turn anyways. Vibrava shouldn't be too strong on the special side. That is disheartening. I didn't want to use Thunder Wave. Misclicked. Whatever, Nessie's dead. Nessie got boosted to 25. Paris Song. Yeah, I'll sacrifice Sing for Paris Song. Level 9. That shouldn't kill. I did not want to do that, you freaking game. Alright, is Nessie higher on the physical side or special side? Physical side, but not too much, so I think that this will hurt worse. Okay, thank God. Oh well. Can't hit them all. Alright, so What? Why? And how? I hate this thing. One sand attack causes me to miss. I put 2 sand attacks and they hit every single time. And has water absorb. I should not have tried to fight them. I don't get an egg from the daycare lady in this game. It's from that place in Lava Ridge. Well, Mud Pie's in. And you died. Oh wait, I forgot to take the move items. You were holding an item? Take that. And I'll put that on Graveler. Alright. Going left. Stop. Fucking Wally. Okay. And there's the item. Blue Scarf is useless to me. Hold on. Yellow Scarf is useless to me. Okay, I thought there was an item down there too. This music's so calming. We'll end this episode off here. So in the meantime, don't let your mons die like I did. But have a good day. And peace.